Connecting custom domain to Railway is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Railway account. And once you log into your Railway account, it's going to take you to your Railway dashboard. Now you're going to find the project in which the service that you want to change the domain for is, and you're going to find the service in that project. So we have different services here, but this is the service that I want to change the domain for. It's a GitHub project. And then once I click into the service, I'm going to come to settings. On the settings, I'm going to come to networking, and on the networking there's a public networking side, and there's where I can add, where it says plus custom domain, that's where I can add my custom domain. Now this is where you're going to add your custom domain, and once you click on add custom domain, you're going to be able to add your custom domain. And I also would like you to know that once you add the domain, it's going to probably give you an instruction to change some records in your domain, and once you do that, it's going to take up to 72 hours to propagate your changes. Now you need to wait to verify that all your changes have been done for after 72 hours. Now that's how you connect custom domain to Railway. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.